What is up, everybody? Welcome back to another new earning video, and today is going to be a short little video, but today is finally the day that I cash out on Atlas Earth for the first time. So basically I just wanted to see what the whole cash out process was, and kind of wanted to see what the cash out options were, and just to see what it was really like. So with this video, I took all the money that I earned on Atlas Earth so far, which was like almost $16, and I took that out. I cashed out $10, and then the rest of the money that I had left on my account, I just turned it into Atlas bucks and purchased some plots. So with that being said, let's jump into this video and let's check this out. This video may only be interesting to those who have not cashed out, and to those who are curious of what cashing out looks like on Atlas Earth. So with that being said, let's jump into it. Click your income to the right of your picture. Click redeem now. Now you are going to enter how much you want to cash out. Confirm your phone number with a special code sent to your phone by Atlas Earth. Redeem your money, redeem your cash. And here at this part, you can choose anything you want, but I'm choosing PayPal. And enter your PayPal email twice. Here is confirmation. We are sending the money to your PayPal account. It shows you the email that you entered and the payment, the PayPal payment time. Now Atlas bucks. So I'm gonna redeem some Atlas bucks with the leftover money. I got 125 Atlas bucks. I'm going to buy parcels, but that's solely your own preference. So I'm going to be able to buy one parcel, and it is a rare. And that is the whole process. Like I said, this is going to be a short video. You guys seen me cash out $10. You guys seen me turn Atlas, or my Atlas money, into Atlas bucks. Basically, I do have some tips and tricks on Atlas Earth. If you guys want to go watch those older videos of my tips and tricks, I'll leave the links below in the description of this video. But basically, the tips and tricks that I can give you off the top of my head would be to, like, at the start of the day, you want to collect your daily, and then you want to basically watch ads to boost your rent to the maximum, and then you want to go in the shop and get your free 2 Atlas bucks, and then after that you want to go find a couple games within the shop tab and play those games to rack up Atlas bucks while you're waiting on the timers for this free 2 Atlas bucks and your boost rent. And you kind of just want to go back and forth between boosting your rent and collecting Atlas bucks. And the more Atlas bucks that you're going to have, the easier it's going to be to buy parcels and to move up in the game and to make more money. And with this video, you guys are seeing in real time that Atlas Earth does pay out real money. And I did use PayPal, so they do have a PayPal option, but as well as all the other options that you guys seen. So that being said, thank you guys for tuning in today to this video. And if you like this video, please drop a like on this video, and please subscribe for more earning videos just like this one. And I'll see every single one of you in the next new earning video. Peace.